Drop anchor and embrace the Crystal Coast lifestyle at Unit 217 in Palm Suites. This coastal getaway is perfectly positioned for boaters, anglers, and water enthusiasts, with access to an owner's-only boat ramp and day dock just steps away. Inside, you'll find 2 full-size beds, a comfortable double leather recliner, and a mounted TV, everything you need to unwind after a day spent fishing, cruising, or exploring the waterways of Atlantic Beach. Enjoy resort-style amenities including a pool, grilling area, and pet-friendly ownership, all while being minutes from the beach, waterfront dining, marinas, and some of the best boating waters on the North Carolina coast. Whether you're looking for a personal escape, a fishing headquarters, or an investment opportunity, Unit 217 is your launch point for coastal adventure. Just add water to your lifestyle.